What is up, YouTube? It's Coffee back at it, man. And the things individuals do for love can go very far, but often it isn't love, right? It's just lust or someone having a lack of a love life or fitting in to be accepted. Y'all know what I'm talking about, man. And this is just crazy. I don't know if y'all heard about this public defender, someone sworn by the court to, I don't know if we like uphold the law, I guess, you swear an oath, right? And this is crazy. Let's get it.
Public defenders. They're in courtrooms daily representing defendants who can't afford an attorney. Yet one public defender in Dallas County found herself in the county jail last week. Arrest documents read that 28-year-old Reagan Moreno was having an intimate relationship with an inmate at the jail. Their phone calls suspiciously personal per investigators. During one, the inmate waving a towel in front of his cell window high up in the north tower of the jail, telling Moreno to look for him. She, per the documents, below in a parking lot, there to expose herself to him per the call, but couldn't because a marked police vehicle was nearby. Still, an attorney having a relationship with a client, not illegal in Texas, but as a public defender, per attorney Jason Lawrence, unethical.
Probably not necessarily the wisest thing you can do.
Lawrence has taken court-appointed cases in both Waco and Houston.
When your salary is funded by the taxpayers, you should be careful about the sort of relationships that you form with your clients.
What landed Moreno in jail, though? Something more serious, investigators wrote. During one of her calls, she allegedly revealed victim information to the inmate and one of his brother's pending assault cases. The brother even joining the call at one point, per the documents. The victim in that case later revealing she received a text from a jail tablet belonging to the inmate Moreno was representing that read, "I swear before Christ, you haven't met me, but you will, and how you meet me depends all on you."
Disclosing them to a third party with sensitive witness information is generally never something that you should do as an attorney.
Moreno was charged with one count of abuse of official capacity. She has no disciplinary record per the State Bar of Texas, but the agency may investigate all this now. We also reached out to the Dallas County Public Defender's Office for a comment, but have not heard back yet.
Man, so y'all heard that there. Reagan Sierra Moreno, 28 years old. So think about it, man. I don't know exactly how it all goes with law school and everything like that with college, but it takes you some years to be an attorney, right? I mean, I know PDs, people look at them like, oh man, public pretenders, whatever. But, some cats, that's where they got to start their career out before they can get into a big practice or start their own practice. Like, there's some good PDs out there at the end of the day, And normally they ain't PDs too long. But like, she's got to just have gotten out of school, I think, at that age. Comment someone if you're in the know exactly about, if you get flat out of high school, graduate at 18, jump right into college, take no time off, pass everything, college, prerequisites, law school, all that, and then practicing law. And right away you heard this woman has never had any disciplinary problems, anything. And this inmate, I don't know, what do y'all think, man? He spit that game to her, or what was it? Because what originally, got them knocked was someone else. I think a CO was like, wait a second, why is this woman visiting this guy, Todd Whitfield, so much? And he was in there, still in jail, actually. And the press, I guess, kind of somewhat as damage control. Well, not the press. They're covering it, but like the county or whatever, saying, well, we just want to make it clear that she's not currently representing him. His case is over with. He had some petty car burglaries, and that case is dead, and he's still in jail for some probation violations. But I don't know. I guess they were getting it in. Lawyer, client privilege. I don't think they can record in those rooms or anything. But there was a CO like, damn, they're meeting for hours all the time, And then, so stupid, she's talking to him on them jail phones. Everyone knows everything on them damn jail phones is recorded. And, like, they know who you're calling. They can hear what you're talking about. Everything is tied right to the inmate by number. is all like all the evidence is there. And then she used her county issued laptop to log in and obtain these documents from these other cases, which is all tied directly back to her, for the individual's brother, you know, who had some serious cases, assault with bodily harm and all that, to get him access to be able to threaten the victims and say, listen, y'all heard what it said, like, you haven't met me, but believe me, you will, and all this cornball-ish, trying to get the individual to not show up to court. And now this public defender sits with a Fed case. And I think that's like witness tampering and, you know, doing stuff to aid someone in and tampering with a witness and threatening witnesses. Like, it's all bad, you know? So think about it, man. She went through all that to get into being an attorney, you know, got right into it, never been in trouble in your life. Some inmate romances you or whatever, or this individual, I shouldn't say you, because I know a lot of motherfuckers are going to be like, yo, this is downright pathetic and stupid, man. She like hard up for a man or some love in her life, you know? And now, like, not only is she facing time, she's going to be disbarred through her whole career away. And, you know, ultimately is a tarnish and stain on that county and the, you know, world of justice. Even though we know justice and the criminal justice system and attorneys and all that, it's a slippery slope as far as if you consider that to really be justice, you know. But no system is perfect. But when you got attorneys doing flookery like this, it's just all bad, man. I don't know if you guys heard that one part where they have them recorded on the phone where she drove up from her vehicle and he's like waving a towel in the window and she's like, oh, I can see you. And she was there to show him some skin, should we say. Man, that sounded cringy as hell saying that, but I guess she couldn't because there was people around or whatever. And it's wild because ultimately, guys, with the whole Trump, Fani, Willis thing and everything going on with that, with the Georgia State RICO, and then we know she's also prosecuting Young Thug in the YSL case. And, you know, that stuff has come out about her having a relationship with some gangster or something like that, someone that was supposed to be under investigation. Trump says that's why Fani wants to get at him, and, you know, why she's on this, as Trump would call it, witch hunt, because he says he's done nothing wrong, is all because he exposed Fani, you know, for flirting with the individual she's supposed to be putting in jail, man. And then, I don't know. I mean, that's a prosecutor. This is a public defender, but kind of a similar situation, man. But what a story. Let me know what you think about it in the comments. And it's all bad, man. You know, aside from the whole relationship thing or anything like that, how anyone feels about that, no matter what you're doing in life, whether it's some romantic-ish or lustful-ish or a friend or something like that, you should never throw away your accomplishments and what you work hard for someone else. You know, that's like some sucker-ish and stupid. Have some self-pride. Real talk. You know, that ass. Don't be manipulated and play yourself, right? Like, what do they say? What show is that? Congratulations, you played yourself. Reagan, Sierra Moreno, you played yourself. And you're probably going to do some Fed time over it. Or I don't know, maybe she could walk away with probation. What do y'all think? Tap in. Let's get it. I'm out of here. It's coffee. And I'm gone.